Hello and welcome. My name is Eldhose, presenting on behalf of Kuttuzen teams. Today, we will dive into Trinity Project 3 Operation Analytics and Investigating Metric Spike. This project centers on operational analytics and investigating metric spikes, both essential in understanding and optimizing company operations. Operational analytics aims to optimize end-to-end company operations. As a lead analyst, we collaborate across departments to uncover actionable insight by examining sudden metrics change like user engagement dips or sale drops. Here we have operational analytic and investigation metric spikes. We have two case studies, and today we are mainly going to dealt with one case study one, and we are the project consists of two case studies. The case study one, which we will focus on today, involves job data analysis, and this analysis enable us to examine job review, throughput analysis, language analysis, and identify the duplicate rows. These are the things we are going to delve in case study one, and case study we two investigation metric spice. We will delve in second video because this will be somewhat long video, so we need to take this in two parts. Okay. Next one is we need to create a database uh, because they are asked to here in case study one job data analysis. You will be working with a table named job data with the following columns. So the table we are going to creating is job data, and that table containing job id, actor id, event id, language, time spent, org, organization of the actors, ds is the date. These are the things, columns we need in job data table. So we need to create this table in MySQL, not in Excel. It's we need to create this one in MySQL. So before going to the details of this one, we you should know that before proceeding to this project, you should complete the MySQL chapters. All of the 11 chapter you need to complete, then only you can do the things properly. Otherwise it will be difficult for you people, because this is advanced level. Chapter 11 is dealing with the advanced MySQL, and this is related to advanced MySQL. Also you need to go through minimum 5 chapters in data analytical fundamentals. In that mainly they given how you can prepare reports and what are the content you need to add in the report submission, everything that, and how we are doing the analysis, and what are the approach you need to take in each project. These are the things they dealt in first 5 chapters in the fundamentals of data analytics. Okay, now we need to create a job data case study table. So for that, first we need to download CSV file of case study one. This is the job data CSV file. We need to download this one, and after downloading, you can see like this one. Okay, this is a download. This is very small. Okay, so it's not that much complicated to create the table. Okay, for that you need to go to MySQL. Already we dealt in the second project how we install MySQL and how we work out in MySQL. Everything we dealt in the second project, Instagram user analytics. If you are seeing my project 3 first time, so before that go through second project, data Instagram user analytics. It is uploaded in my YouTube channel Kuttuzen tips, or at the right those tip handle. This video is uploaded, so people please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, so that will be a motivation for me to upload more and more videos, and also give your suggestions, comments, everything below the below the video. Then only I can improve my videos. And also if you need some videos particular related to particular topic, or other subjects related to data analytics, you need some topic for their explanation, ask in comments, or directly ask in the email. I given email in my description, video description, and my page. Everywhere I given my email, and also I given WhatsApp number also given. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe and like, and also hit bell icon if you need news related to jobs, and also related to new updates. Okay, coming back to our case study one, we need to create a table. So before that, before diving into analysis, let set up our database in MySQL. We will start by creating database and setting up the job data table to store our job review data for case study 1. Okay, going to MySQL, we need to create a database. So I am going to create a database project 3. This is the database I am going to create. Project 3 is our project, so I am giving the name to that file, project 3. So I am creating database project 3. I just click here. Here the database of project 3 is created. Next thing is use, because I am going to work on project 3. So for functioning everything, we need to use command, and need to use command. Okay, I clicked there, 0 rows affected. Now it will function. Okay, now going to create a table job data. Because we get the instruction, we need to create a table job data. Here we have the instruction, create a job data table with these columns. So I am going to create that one in MySQL. Okay, create table job data. We are given the name to the table. Okay, then we given each and every tables. See these headings we copy and paste here. Okay, and based on this one, each thing, DS means date, alias date, job ID, DS, not alias, this is date. Here we are giving date. Okay, see here the given date. So in here MySQL, for getting date, we given date here. Then date here, then followed by job id having numeric number, so we give the thing integral. Int means integral, uh, and then next thing is action id, that also integral, because these all are the things numerical values here we got here. So these things every thing we give integral. Here vachar event is character, so or big one, so we give vachar, that is 10 character we are giving space. Language vachar 10 space we are giving. Time spent is integral number numerical value, then org then char, here not too much, only two words they are going to put. Okay, I just delete this one, then no need to keep here. Okay, so after this much creating this much, we need to uh, run the command. So they created a table on job data. Okay, we just check where it is created. See, project tree is created. Inside that table is created, table under table job data is created. Also we can see what are the things. See, these columns they are created here. Okay, so our first step finish here. Okay, next thing is we need to use select data, because we need to put this data into that table, job data table. We need to put data into job data, so we need to select this table first. Just click this one. Okay, that is selected. Then insert into job data, we are going to insert data into this thing. This is too small values, so we are going to just put manually we are entering values, but in case of big uh, data, that time we need to import the data from the CSV file directly. For that also we need to put some commands. But here just a five six data is there. So we just insert into job data, and where we need to put this data, each column heading we are quoted here. Then after closing this one, just gives value. Now we are going to put the entire value. See, easily we can type like seeing this and type one by one. Okay, this way we can type the values. Nothing should change. Whatever put these markings and never change. If a change means there should be value error, so you not get the proper answer, or proper input you not get. So after putting these inputs, we just select this one. Even if not selected also it will work. Just click here. See, that also created 8 rows affected, 8 duplicate, warning 0. Okay, just we want to see the values. See, now the values came here. All values are shown here. Okay, so that also finished. So we created a table. Our first thing was to create value, create data table, uh, and insert all the values. These are the steps we required and we completed. Now our table is created. uh, okay, this also we can import data also we can do. Okay, it's just go and identify the path also is easily we can create this thing. But importing data we can see on case study 2. How same method only we can import here also. But I just for exercise purpose, manually we need to put all the data, so we get some exercise also. Next is we move to uh, task wise. We need to move to task sector. This is the case study one, task A, job reviewed over time. Okay. So coming to here now, case study one, task one. That is uh, job reviewed over time. For the first task, we calculate the number of jobs reviewed per hour each day in November 2020. So, in this section, we are going to review per day how much job is reviewed by each ID in each day. So, in November 2020, they are going to check how much jobs are reviewed per day. It's calculate the number of job review per hour of each day in November 2020. So moving to this case study one. Here also I had not gone too deep because uh, uh, up to if you are not reading or studying the entire topic, whatever I say here nothing, whatever explanation I given here, you will not be benefited. Okay, so better you go through the all chapters of MySQL, then you can easily identify what these things are, what count round, these things, what are the meaning of from, where, between, and group by, ordered by, all these things you can understand only when you study the entire topic. Otherwise it is waste of time and money. So I am not going to detail you all these things. If I going means it should become a big video. So just ds, the ds is the table column name, and as date we are converted as alias date. Then count job id we are going to count, because you need to review jobs. So for that job id you are used to count. Then aliases, the final answer will show like this: join job id. Okay. Then round, inside that again some time spent divided by this, we are converted this time into seconds. Okay, by into 2 hours time, this will be the last table. Time total times sp spending hour, that short they are written like this. Then round, then count job id sum spend, like this everything. And this table will shown, a column will shown as job review per hour per day from job data. We are going to take data from job data, that is the table. Then where, between, where we going ds date between 1 to November 1st to November 30. In this data between these dates, from this table we are taking and doing this formula, working out this formula. And it is grouped by ds and ordered by ds. So final answer should be this. This will be the answer c. Total time spent hour, total time spent hour, this come here. Job review per hour per day here. So per day, see 25th per day, 80 jobs reviewed by this id. Then moving to say 26, 64 jobs reviewed. In 27, 34 jobs reviewed, and 28 to 18 job reviewed, like that. They given the whole data. Okay, so just put the answer in report here. Like, we always need to take screenshot and put here. Okay, don't hesitate to do. If you not show the proper thing, the proper evidence, then you are affecting your points. Okay, you know the point criteria, everything they given. So if a proper evidence is not shown, they consider it as plagiarized. Okay, so better give this result and everything. And here also, whatever you need query every step, whatever step you are going to do, how you created the table, that step also you need to put in your report. After that, this was my first task, and I quoted the steps. Then table I quoted here. Then I given some insight. We observe that point one job reviewed per hour for each day in November to 20. Highest job reviewed on 28th, that is 218 job reviewed per hour in 28th November 2020. And I show the um, evidence with this result and output. These three things needed to show, then only they will accept. Otherwise, it consider as plagiarism. Next, we need to move throughput analysis. Throughput analysis objective. See the objective, calculate the 7-day rolling average of throughput. Additionally, also they ask a second question, explain whether you prefer using daily metrics or 7-day rolling average. In throughput analysis, mainly we are going to identify 7 days rolling average. Okay, and also we need to give answer whether daily metrics or 7-day rolling average, which one is better. That also we need to say. So this is task big throughput analysis. Same way we just go through round count the event sum to ask weekly average throughput job. I just taken two thing. That is, one is average output I throughput I taken out, and also per day average throughput I taken out. That is daily average throughput also I taken out, and weekly average. This is 7-day rolling average. Actually, this is 7-day rolling average, and this is daily average throughput I taken. Then only we can understand properly the result. Okay, first we put this formula, then click here. This weekly average you got. Okay, then go for a second step, ds as a state. Then all this formula again we click. Then a daily every each day how much daily average, we show the daily average throughput. This is okay. Now coming to insight. Here whatever insight is between this 01 to 06, 7-day rolling average is preferred for analyzing throughput, avoid fluctuation. Mainly this is used to avoid fluctuation. Then the question is daily metric versus 7-day rolling average. So here we given 7-day rolling average will normally preferable for analyzing throughput. We given our answer, and why we preferred that question we are answer here. Because see, 7-day rolling average is will be rolling average smooth out daily fluctuation and give a stable output on trend over time. Daily metric can highly fluctuating and influenced by short term or events. So daily metric is easily affected by short things or short events and external various factors. So it is fluctuating, not accurate always. So but rolling average is stable, and it will given a uh, average trend of 7 days. So it should be more benefited, and it will be more useful in uh, in the case of analysis, throughput analysis. This will be the better uh, thing. Next, going to third task, that is language share analysis. Write an SQL query to calculate the percentage share of each language over the last 30 days. We need to identify the each language share in the last 30 days. So again, going to MySQL, we going to task C. Same way, we select a language. Here language bar is there. This column is now our target. Uh, then round, this is percentage identification. Then JD total, D total. It's nothing at short only. From job data, cross join. Here a cross join is came again. Job data is cross join with another count. Again we are going to inner count, subqueries, and putting this one, we got the data like this. So from this you can understand that Persian language have 37.5 with first, and followed by other language have equal preference to 12.5. Okay, this is the answer. We got here all the answers here. See, given answers here. And inside from the table we can observe that Persian language is the most used language with the percentage share of 37.5, followed by other language having equal share of 12.50. The whole data is taken from total of count. Only we have 8 data. So when it is big data, it should be a more valuable. This is just an exercise purpose they are giving, because we are moving to case study 2. So before that you need to understand how we are calculating or creating the each table, everything. For the understand purpose they are giving case study 1, and plotted the data. Then next is move to fourth task, that is duplicate row detection. We need to identify the duplicate rows in our CSV data, or whatever data table we have, job data. From that, whatever repeating value or duplicate value you need to identify using MySQL. Going to MySQL, this is the third one. This is the formula we use. We select the actor ID. We can easily identify how many repeating everything. Ask duplicate. Then job data group by actor ID and having count less than 1%. Then plot. See, actor ID 3 having two duplicate. Two ID same, 1003 is in two. Two cases they are given 1003 as an ID. See, 1003 is here, 1003 is here. Okay, that is why they consider it as duplicate. Okay, this way we are identifying the duplicate value. Then we need to plot this one. Okay, before also I said whatever report you are going to submit to Trinity and other purpose, make it so much colorful. So go through PowerPoint presentation and convert it into PDF. That will be more colorful, and it will be more easily to read the data, and maybe they will give more mark also. Okay, that don't forget, whenever you submit the report, you need to make it attractive. Okay, so here come to end of our case study one, and there is another video I am going to create, because this is somewhat elaborately we need to discuss in case study 2 regarding how we remove duplicates and how we import data from Excel to MySQL. Lot of things we need to discuss. Then 5 tasks also is there. Based on this created table, we need to uh, create chapter this data table, and based on that we need to do analysis. So in that case we need to do it in separate video. So I am going to summarize the case study one. To summarize case study, I provided valuable insight into review trends, language preference, and data quality. The investigation equipped us to advise on operational improvement effectively. Thank you for joining this walkthrough of Trinity Project 3 Case Study 1. For further insight or query, reach out Kuttuzen Tips. This is my page, and also you can ask on comment, even if good or bad, whatever your criticism, please quote on my comments. Okay, if you need more explanation or more detail, or you need the PDF or whatever, you need Word file, or you need the full work, please directly contact my WhatsApp number I given on comments. Okay, or in my description, I give video description also I given my email, that is Eldhose 00 T002 @gmail.com, and my WhatsApp number is 637-949-9663. So I also given in comments. Please directly approach, and please ask any doubt or any chapter you need explanation, or you not able to understand. Please approach directly. I will help at any time. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel, like it, hit bell icon if you like my videos. Also share my videos to your friends, if they are doing data analytical course, or they are interested in doing data analytical course, or they want to study data analytical course. Please share my videos to them. Also advise them to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Hello friends. Welcome back to Kuttuzen Tips. Today, I am super excited to start a brand new series that will help all of you who are pursuing or planning to pursue a data analytics course with Trainity. If you're here to get some guidance on this self-learning platform, you're in the right place. So, what is Trainity?